Hey, what's up? I'm Shane, and today I have 10 more advanced vocabulary words for you so you can practice, become fluent in no time. So check it out. 1. Mediocre. Mediocre. Mediocre is when something is not so good, it's just average. 2. Famished. Famished. Famished means that someone's extremely hungry. 3. Prompt. Prompt. Prompt means something is immediately going to happen. 4, bland means no flavor, no taste. 5, filthy. Filthy means dirty, very dirty. Not just dirty, but very dirty. 6, reluctant. Reluctant means not willing to do something or not really interested in doing something. 7, remote. Remote. Remote means something is very far. It's a good distance away from a center point, like a city. From a downtown city, it's in a remote place. Savvy. Savvy means knowledgeable about something. 9, blurry. Blurry, not clear, not very visible. 10, fickle. Fickle. Fickle means that someone changes their mind a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to use these words in a sentence, so listen to how I say them and how I stress the word. Listen to the accent and practice yourself. Mediocre. Shane is a mediocre teacher. Not. Shane's the best. That food at that restaurant is very mediocre. I don't know if I'll go back there. Famished. I am extremely famished. Is it time to eat yet? Prompt. It's very important to be prompt when you show up to a job interview. 4, bland. A lot of food that people serve in the northern part of the United States is very bland. Filthy. The little boy was filthy because he was rolling around in the dirt all day long. Reluctant. I'm very reluctant to get up in the morning and go to work, but I do need a check. Remote. They live in a very remote place on a farm about 100 miles from the city. Savvy. He's very savvy with computers. He knows how to fix them. Blurry. The sign was very blurry to me because I didn't have my glasses on. Fickle. Kids are really fickle. They change their mind about what toys they want. So there you go. 10 more advanced words that you can practice. So keep practicing. Subscribe to my channel. And remember, I got more videos, so check them out. For now, I'm out.